Indian food is loved worldwide. It's famous for bold flavors and aromas. From spicy curries to flavorful biryanis, Indian cuisine offers a sensory delight. Each region in India has its own distinct culinary traditions, making Indian food a diverse and exciting experience. Indian food is more than just a meal. It is a celebration of culture and history. Generations have passed down recipes that reflect India's rich heritage. The use of fresh ingredients is crucial in Indian cooking. Herbs, spices, vegetables, and lentils form the base of many dishes, with each ingredient playing a vital role in creating the final flavor profile. Learning to cook Indian food is a journey into a world of flavors, an exploration of ancient traditions, and a chance to connect with India's vibrant culture. Spices are at the heart of Indian cooking. They give Indian food its unique taste and aroma. Common spices include turmeric, cumin, coriander, and chili powder, each with its own distinct flavor profile. Spices are not just for flavor, they have health benefits too. Turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, cumin aids digestion, and coriander can help lower blood sugar levels. The key to using spices is to roast and grind them fresh, which releases their oils and enhances their flavors. A mortar and pestle is the traditional tool, but a spice grinder works well too. Experiment with different spice combinations and create your own unique blends. The world of Indian spices is vast and waiting to be explored. Let's start with butter chicken. This dish is a classic. Marinate chicken in yogurt and spices, then cook it in a tomato-based gravy and add butter for richness. Next, try dal makhani, a lentil stew cooked low and slow, simmering in a creamy tomato and butter gravy. For vegetarians, palak paneer is a must-try. Spinach and paneer cheese are cooked in a flavorful gravy. Finally, no Indian meal is complete without naan bread. This soft, pillowy bread is perfect for scooping up curries and dals. These recipes are easy to follow and use simple ingredients. They'll impress your family and friends. My fondest memories are in the kitchen. I learned to cook from my grandmother. Her recipes were simple but full of flavor. She taught me the importance of fresh ingredients. I remember the aroma of spices filling our home. It was a sign that something delicious was cooking. Food always brought our family together. Today, I share these recipes with you. I hope they bring joy to your kitchen and inspire you to explore the world of Indian cooking. Enjoy the flavors of India.